yeah, if you've been on the potty train, would you mind switching instances so everybody can get a chance? If you've already seen the potty train, if you can move along, that would be fantastic. Thank you so much.
Everybody say hey, because that's what our next guest eats for breakfast. But no, they're not a horse, at least not on the outside. Put your hooves together for this gift of a guest, and feel free to look at their mouth.
Today's my underfolk. My name's Paulie. If I haven't made your acquaintance, I deliver the mail. But I'm not delivering the mail today. Well, hey, snaps in the air if you're excited for this. Wait, y'all got tickets? Did you know there were tickets? No, I'm joking. Hey, how's it going, friend? No, you don't need to be up in my face, though, okay? Give me a little room. Thank you. All right, this is the potty train. It's a very special day in the under today. So if you want to be on the potty train, we want to make sure you got the right hat so you're ready to potty. Anyone who wants to change the hat, I can fix it for you. Any hats you want. No, you look great in that just a little dingy bell. Yeah, no, it's classic on you. What about you, friend? You want me to assign you a hat? All right, you got cat ears right now. They look pretty great. Do you want to keep your cat ears or do something else? Oh, you're thinking too hard. You get to be cheese. You get cheese on your head. Now you're the life of the party. Yeah. You have a giant block of cheese on your head. You can't see it, but everyone else can smell you. You smell great. Smell like a nice, ripe Blue cheese, nice and stinky. Anyone else want to change the hats before you get started on this party? Nope. These are like, this is my identity on my head. Don't want to switch it. No, I'm good. I like the breeze on my head. Hey, you up there? Oh wait, no. Hey, you've already been on the party train, friend. Could you switch out if you can? No, I don't think they can hear me. Oh well, okay. Time to get the party started. Let's do some stretches, everyone. You're gonna be running around. You're gonna be doing a lot of things. Just put your hands up in the air. Reach up to the tippy top like you're grabbing that box from the top shelf. And then I want you to deliver it to the floor. Yeah, that was a good contact. Good delivery. That's just male work. Oh, and then to do a little side to side, you know, stretch out those. Oh, yeah. Oh, my bony bones. Okay. Well, you're all in for fun today. So your first location, I need you to go to the gift shop because you're hungry, right? Yeah, go get some food at the gift shop. Somebody will meet you there. Have a great day. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the gift shop, and you're here to fill your tummies, yes? Good. Well, ricotta salata is ready to eat with you. Everyone, why don't we start with a little sugar to get our bloodstream pumping? Let's make a cup of cake. You know how to make a tiny cup of cake. You make a piece of candy first, followed by... Oh, you already know. Oh, good. Someone make a ricotta one as well, just real quick. I don't have a bake. I don't have an oven in my face. Oh, thank you, little one. Hey, cheers! Let us kiss our cupcakes together. Oh, that was very well baked, my little friend. Very good. No, darlings, I have made too much food today, and I need your help. Are you ready to eat a bunch of food for ricotta? Good, okay. Who is willing to eat a lot of food very quickly? Yes, you up here and you too. Okay, good. I want you to come and stand in front of the onions. You stand in front of that onion. All right, now we need 2 people to judge these 2, yes? Judge these 2. Yes, I feel like you've done this in another life. Come back here, my friend. I want that judgment. I want that scrutiny that you are so good at, yes. All right, I want you to watch this one, all right? Watch this one, and then you. Who? Yes, you, come back here. What a nice hat you have. I want to make soup in that hat. Okay, so are you ready to watch this one? Alright, you both must count how many they are able to stuff in their pie holes as quickly as possible. Can you do that for ricotta? You can. Alright, here is the deal. I'm going to explode all of the food that I have made. They are going to watch how many you make into your face hole. And anything that is not food, you must toss out of the gift shop. We must toss it away. And make sure you do it with drama. Yes, because we should eat with passion. Shouldn't we? Eat with passion. Yes. Okay, ready? Set? Snack! Oh, we got coconuts, darling. We got coconuts and sushi. We got bags of chips as well, darlings. Keep counting. What else do we have? Oh, salt. Can you eat the salt? I mean, sort of. Oh, how did that get in there? Goodness sakes. Notebooks? No, can't eat that. That's not tasty at all. A frisbee? What? Not a plate? Apple apples, apples! Oh yes, get your apple or your doctor away today. Good, and... It's so big. And then finish it off with the brain freeze. Stop! Whew. Did you count all that? That was a lot of eating. You did? Alright, I'm ready for you to snap. How many did this one stuff in their face hole? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, look, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 24? Whoa! You were hungry, weren't they? My goodness. Okay, you. How many did they eat? Snap for me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, no! Oh, look who it is. Hello, welcome. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26! Oh, looks like our Star Mask Bo has a bigger belly than you. Oh, do not be afraid. But thank you. Next time I know I make too much food, I am inviting you over. You come and I feed you. You eat perpetually. Yes. Hello. I am Ricotta. Oh, you look hungry. You need a snack? Yes. Anyone who looked hungry here, have a snack, darlings. Lots of party snack food. And thank you. Yes, have another cupcake for your service. No, a bag of chips. And hello to you. Welcome to the party train. We're all just getting our sustenance. Good. Oh, you want onions? That's what you crave? You want a whole lot of onions? You got it. Eat up, darling. Get a nice stinky breath. Yes. This is the perfume of the under. Okay, darlings. Are you ready to head to your next location? Yes, you are. Let's continue this party train. Now, all right. I'm teleporting you now, darlings. When you get there, make sure you repair. Okay? You got this. Oh, look, I brought you here all by myself. I'm so talented. Now I will leave you. Okay, I'll be somewhere else.
Nightfall his bones are coral made. Those are pearls that were his eyes. Nothing of him that might take suffer seeping into something rich and strange. Seen him sourly ring his knell. Hark, now I hear them. Ding dong. Bell. Ding dong. Bell.
Hey everybody. Hi. Hey, thank you for coming to the show. Yes, thank you so much. I'm Caitlin. Thank you. Oh, wow. Yeah, you're floating now, little buddy. You knew the song like the back of your hand. You were like, ding dong bell, and it's wrong. Everyone, that's what I'm referring to, Tempest. This was an incredible production that we did. I don't remember when, but I'm still here. Actually, you know what? I am so inspired by all of you. Would you sign an autograph for me today? That would mean a lot to me, actually. Here. Let me get a notebook. Here we go. I'm just gonna make this a little bit bigger. There, that's better. Okay, yes. If you could sign this for me. Oh, here. Wait. Here's a pen, friend. Here you go. Yes. This is to Caitlin. Yes. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Wow, you have a sexy signature. You know, sometimes you see people's signatures and they're like, wow, you must drink Vespers at a bar. Very fancy. Oh, look at this little Picasso here. Oh my gosh, they drew me is that a caricature of me? Wow! Oh my gosh, you're such a good artist. Wow, you got my hair and everything. Okay, yes, you too. Go right ahead. Oh, I wonder, this is so much fun. It's like signing your yearbook, you know? You never know when you're going to see these friends again, but you know you're going to look. Okay, let me see what you did. Is this your grocery list? No, that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, you want to get some more milk. Yeah, get some more milk. I think you probably need some milk for your coffee. Thank you anyway. Okay, who else would like to sign? Yes. Right here, friend. Give me your John Hancock or whatever that phrase is. Ooh. That is so many hearts. I don't think... Wow. Look at all those hearts, guys. That's so sweet. Man, I'm going to keep this forever. Anyone else is like signing a cast, you know? Oh, yes, you, Mr. Floaty. Here, I'll hold it up here for you. Here you go. Mm-hmm. Oh. What? Everyone, it's Mayor Puddles, everyone. Thank you, Mayor. Oh, wow. I'm not even going to read that out loud. That's so sweet. Oh, my gosh. Thank you, you guys. Yeah. Oh, sure. I'll take that if you want to give that to me. That's beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming. You got to get to your next thing. Okay? Here, I'll make sure you get there. Thank you so much for visiting Tempest, you all. And I'll see you sometime soon, okay? Enjoy what's ever happening next.
that they left the Princess Dumpster Truck on stage. I am a very stinky, chaotic kitty, and they do not usually let me up here, but today I have taken it against their will. Snaps for my discompliance. Yay! Okay, kittens, what are we getting up to today, do you ask? Oh, that's a very good question. Oh, I think it is time for a rare and super cool edition of Trash Talk with Princess Dumpster Truck. And oh my goodness, we have a celebrity guest here today. Oh, and we've had them before, but it's been a very long time. But I'd like to welcome back to the stage Meryl Streep! How did we get Meryl Streep here? I don't know. This is very, very impressive, Welcome! Welcome, Meryl! Everyone snaps for Meryl and her illustrious career! Yay! Okay, Meryl, won't you please come and have a seat with me? Hey, get in the chair! Get in the chair! I want to get in the chair! Okay. Sit it. There you go. Get sit. Don't make me call stage managers. I'm already in trouble. Okay, kill the music. All right. First things first. Let's start off with a little joke to break the ice. Okay, what do you call a bear with no teeth? Anybody know? A gummy bear! Okay, can you hit the drums? Just hit the drums behind you. Just hit them real quick. Yes! Great success! Hello! All right, everyone, we have Meryl here, and I'm going to ask Meryl a very important question. Meryl, it's been some time since we've been together. Oh my God, is the curtain closed? No? It is? It's open for some of you? Oh, okay, wait, let me see if this works. Did that make a difference for you? How about now? Okay, wave your hands in the air if you can see us on stage. Everyone? It looks like everyone except you, Puddles. That's okay, Puddles. Just stay on stage, okay? Stay on stage. All right, now back to business. Back to important. You are most important and a great inspiration for many aspiring performers around the under and everywhere else. What is your secret for character development? Oh. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Wow. Okay. Really? What? You learned that from Brad Pitt? Kitten! Oh, wow. That was some incredible acting knowledge, everyone. Yeah, wow. They said that they like to really jump into character and they find a little piece of themselves in every single character they find. So that way, that character is always true because there's a little element of them experiencing the imaginary circumstances in a way that is believable and grounded, but also playful in creation. Wow, Meryl, snaps for Meryl. That was a very poetic and very interesting, Now, Meryl, would you mind to indulge us? I know you don't usually do this, but would you improvise a scene for us? Okay, here is your... so I'm going to do my best to be your inner monologue, okay? And so, everyone, we need an item for Meryl to use in their scene. Oh, yeah, I see a popsicle. Okay, Meryl, here's your popsicle. There you go. Okay, so here is your scene, Meryl. You are late for a date. You're at home getting ready. Oh, my goodness, but you're very, very late. So I want to see this scene from you waking up from a nap and realizing how late you are, getting ready, and then for you getting out and going the door. Can you get that? You got that? Okay, wait, let me give you some music, Meryl. 1 second. I gotta Oh, I rise. I am so eloquent. My pillow so fluffed. Oh, this is a great pile of drool that I have left. Oh, my, what was I dreaming of? Drinking Gatorade incessantly? Oh, I'm gonna lift up my blankets and make my bed. But, yes, spreading out the sheets. I cannot be complete until my bed is made. And what? I'm going to look at this clock over here. And look at the clock and... Oh my gosh! I have a date tonight! Oh, I'm so late! Whatever will I do? I need to feed the dog. I need to feed the dog first. Okay, little puppy, I'm so sorry. I slept through your dinner time. What can I feed you? Feed the dog. Wait, give him some wet food. Give them wet food to feed the dog. They're late for their date. Yes, wet food. Okay, feed your puppy. Here you go, my darling food. All right, good. Now I need to put powder on my face. I must make my face look gorgeous. Yes, powder. No, this one won't work. I need the blue variety of powder. Poof, poof, poof. I don't know about you, but when I look like a clown, I feel sensational. Good. Everyone out in the audience, you are my mirror. Snaps if I look beautiful right now. Yes. Good. Okay, now I must decide on something to wear. Oh, what should I wear? Let me look through my closet. Let's see. This? No. What about this? No. What about this? No. Not quite. How about this drawer? Let's look in this drawer. This? No. Oh, no. That's a little too dark. No. I like the original. Here we are. Original is best. Oh, now I may need to eat something before I go because we're going to see a movie. Someone, quickly give me something to eat. Oh, I left the stove on. Quickly. Freezing, yes, my mouth will taste like frozen lemon. Oh, I'm very hungry. Thank you. My refrigerator is exploding. I'll clean this up later. Okay, I need to find the keys to my car. I think I left them behind the couch. Yes. Oh, there they are. All right, let me just click this button very dramatically to open my car. Click, click. There it is. There's my car. Oh, good thing it's here. I hope they won't judge me. I am Meryl Streep after all, and I choose to drive a Volkswagen. Okay, off for my date. Oh, I look amazing. Snaps for me. I look amazing. Why can't I get my car door open? Oh, no, this is not working. This isn't working. I can't get the car. I have developed superhuman strength because I want love. I will push the car out into the street. It's not working. I am Meryl Streep. I am capable of everything. Oh, it's not. Oh, I've just turned it over. Okay, well, I need to call my date and reschedule because obviously this is not working. Boop, 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 boop. Hello. Hi, I know this is Meryl Streep. Yeah, I know my car is upside down. Yeah, I don't know either. I think I'm going to stay in and watch Netflix. Okay, next week? Yeah, sorry. Okay, goodbye. Boop. Amazing! Wow, Meryl! The flowers for Meryl, everybody! Come on, that was so... Wow! I hate these things, but you deserve it. Wow, that was such commitment, such fervor. Oh, man, an inspiration for us all. Really, you guys. Like, for real. Thank you! Okay, kittens, back into the main stage. Well, thank you so much for joining me for Trash Talk, where we talk trash and have a mess. I'm Princess Dumpster Truck, and I think you guys are all great. Yeah, I know I am a menace you can tap out, but, this would... Yeah, will you carry something for me? Okay. This. Will you take this, timekeeper? Okay, you got it? So, there's this crab that I kind of have been picking on in my spare time because they're very grumpy and very fun to pick on. But I feel bad, and we should apologize, so will you please take... I think that they want that. Will you take that to them at the crab pit? Okay. Thank you, everybody! Meow! See you!
Knocks at the door of the crow. Time sprites, why are you here? To break more of our precious eggs. You have done nothing. What? Where did you get that? I have always wanted a timepiece. It gets very dark down deep in the pit. But why is this one covered in peanut butter? I have always admired the giant clock by the stage, and now I can keep time for the king himself. Bang! Wait a minute. Who gave you this? Yes. Wait. Oh, it was one of those cats, was it? Claudio? No. Oh, it was the dumpster princess. Oh. What a nuisance that one is. She broke free. You there, you offered a flower not long ago. You show compassion to those who have wronged you. I have much to learn from you, Time Sprites. I accept the feline's apology. Now... would you be willing to do one more thing? Since this day is the day of forgiveness, would you please return this broom to a very... yes, to a skeleton that wears a hat with a crown on top. The Sweepers Union have been the bane of the Crobs, but I know that they do mean well. I've been stealing your brooms and hiding them away, but the Sweepers Union deserves them all. All right, I actually have two. Yeah. I think you may find her in the usual place underground. Thank you. for helping me forgive today. Enjoy your party.
Hello, my cupcakes. Hello. Oh. Cat food! Oh, darling, come here! Oh, sweet. It's been far too long. How are you? My, you look sweaty. Have you been acting? Come here. I will get all the way on the ground with you. Get over here. I must hug you. Hello, sweet. Good to see you. Oh, some of my old... Where did you get that broom? May I have it? Thank you. Oh! Well, this broom has been missing. My goodness. Where did you find it, darlings? Up here, you're doing this motion, this motion, this motion. Oh dear, was it dead, Mother? Oh, that is a grumpy old crabulous if I ever saw one. But I have made a few mistakes with the crab colony, but I have since done my best to make reparations, but... Did they get... Oh, this one too? Oh. Oh, yes, it is Jeff and Judy. Oh, goodness. Yes, I missed you both. We'll put you right back in rotation. Oh, it's good to see you. Thank you for returning my brooms, darling. Oh, and a tiny one. Did you go have a baby and start a family in the crop? Oh, you silly brooms. Oh, darlings, how is your party going today? Lots of shenanigans and all that. Now, I have a question for you. Would you like this party to end on a bang? Or would you like to do something a little more sentimental for me? End with a bang? This hand. Vote. More sentimental? This hand. Oh, you can only pick one. Oh, are you picking the feelings? You're picking the feelings. You're going to make bunnies cry. All right. All right, sweets. You know how long we've all been here, in the deserts for eons, since the MC, our master of ceremonies, started this place with a great epiphany at the nuclear explosion at the Bikini Atoll many, many time loops ago. Yes, exactly. It was just like that. Boom. Boom. And he had a penchant for entertainment, and he created his own world, taking performance from theirs. and molding you to cultivate your own. But darlings, deep in the sand, there is an old soul. A skeleton I have learned to call the Sentinel. That rarely shows, but does hold all of the anger and the frustration. Anything that I am able to put and not hold myself, I have given to this skeleton. And now they are traipsing through the desert and must be calmed. The frustration of what this world could have been versus what it was. I need you to calm that rage, darlings. This is an old sentinel skeleton that has been under the desert for a very long time, and it's up to you to calm him, to make him travel size. Take away his weapon and be kind. Yes, exactly. But darlings, careful. Do not look away from the sentinel, or you will perish. Understood? Good. Now, they are somewhere out in the desert. You will find them. And when you do, make them small, put them in a tiny object, all right? And bring that object back to me. You've got it? Good. Go to it, darlings. cover it with something, darlings. We need some sort of a lid. An onion, that'll help. Oh, a cracker. Oh, yes. Multiple lids. That's good. Oh, careful. Oh, dear. All right. So, careful. All right. I've got it. Here, let me use it. Oh. Well done, darlings. How did you do that? No, let go of the bucket, darling. Let go. Thank you. To face an ancient anger, one of the first skeletons, even older than I, brought before the rest of us, before the MC. All right, you're being a troll and we have no time for that, so off you go, darling. I need another lid, quickly. Thank you. Double trouble. We don't know what lives in the sand, but there is anger, I know, from performers, from past souls who wanted this place to be more than it is or what we were confined to do. But it is what it is, and so we need to put this frustration of all that came before us to sleep, because that's what they deserve. Right? Yes. Here, cat food. Will you hold the bucket? Oh, yes, you can hold the bucket. Will you hold it? Hold on tight. All right, are you going to behave? Good. All right, everyone, let's do this last little part. Thank you. Oh, wrong one. Come with me, darling. If it's not too much trouble, could we repair just this area, love, so it's nice and pretty? You hold on to the... Thank you, darlings. It's beautiful. All right, now, it is time to take that froth, that angry energy, all the pent-up feelings for what we wish would have been, to let them go, and let this place be exactly what it needs to be. Yours. Yes, darlings, all of yours. The under would
Sweeper,
not exist.
why the get up? Back to work.
Oh dear!
What's
that?
that?
Did not work at
You've gotten
all.
into
My goodness.
LARPing?
Let's
You mean
try that again.
live action role playing?
I just wanted to put us all in
What
a
a
game together.
coincidence.
You know, it's a little community
The
building
newest
activity.
time loop at our Alamo Gordo-based
Let's
sister
try that
venue.
again. Oh dear. Well, that ruined the moment, didn't it? Let's try that. It sure did. All right, oh, you still have the sentinel! Oh, you are good, thank you, darling. All right, everyone, will you step up on the pool's edge, won't you? Yes, let's all take a nice deep breath together, deep cleansing. That's right, fill your lungs with your hopes and dreams. And darlings, now I would like you to take that sentinel. Let's all give it a kiss. Let's give it a kiss, all the feelings and everything that we wished. It's all right. And pour it into a pool of memories. Yes, just like Tempest, that's right. There, do you feel that? The calm, returns. The Under can carry on. But darlings, it's most important that you carry this place on. I don't know when I will be back if I can, but it is so important to me that you keep this place alive. And you are, darlings, with your stories, oh, with your adventures, with your telling of your body, your physicalization, oh, the friends you've met. There's nothing like this ever, is there, darlings? No. And I'm so lucky to be here at the very, very end with new friends and old friends. You know that you are cared for and that you made a tremendous difference on my life. And I know many lives that have enjoyed your company and your passion and enthusiasm. You are now all the soul sweepers of the Under. It is up to you to care for this place. And do with it what you will. But please know, this will not be the end. I wouldn't lose any of you for anything, not after the connection we've made. I will do my best to always fight back and help you. All right, darlings? Thank you. All right, this has been sad enough. Let's head up to the den. Let's get everyone up to the den. Oh. This is where it all began, darling. The den of scrappy beginnings. And it's such great potential for partying. Let's make a giant cupcake, everyone, so let us feast together. Let me see if I can get some. Yes! Yes, I've got moves, you've got moves. We're going to dance and you've got moves. Yes! Here we are, let's make it a double-decker cupcake. Yeah, 3 layers. Oh, 4 layers. The bigger the cake, the bigger our tummies. Yes, here, give that to me. Let's do that. Whoop. All right, nobody touch anything. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I've never made a 4-layer cake. And then we need a cake topper. Pickles! Yes, everyone, feast! Put it all over your face. Have some cake in your face, darling. Oh, that was a good glow. We go right in my eye socket. Going to get buttercream out of my eye hole for a while. Oh, darling, can we light up some fireworks, please? We need some onions and beer. Right over here, some fireworks. Thank you so much for spending this very long engagement with me. Wow, and this one's got their face on fire. What a finale. Wow, you ought to upstage me, don't you? Thank you, everyone who came on this very long journey of the party train. And thank you for being my friends. It's very hard to leave you all. I've done it before, and it's never any easier. Listen to me get all sentimental as the rave music. Oh. Thank you. You all loved. Keep being badasses, my sweepers. I believe in you and the art you will create. Goodbye, everyone.